Right, so this equation here and this answer on this calculator. So to set up everything right, we need, if we go shift mode number 3 for degrees, then mode 2 for complex, and we should have complex and degrees up there. We go shift mode again and go down, there's a complex there on number 3, and that's going to be how we display the answer. So I'm going to select number 2 so I get a magnitude and an angle. So entering that into the calculator, so I've got 120 angle 0, so that's 120, then it's shift the little minus sign, angle 0, and that's divide by, it's brackets 0.2 plus 2.22. I'm going to do a double bracket so the whole denominator is bracketed out. So that's 0.20 plus 2.22. Close that bracket. Plus, and then J is our ENG, so just press ENG. It's actually I for a complex number. It can be J or I. So it's I times bracket 0.41 plus 0.745. That's that bit. Close that bracket and then close the other bracket as well. So if we press equals, my 44.8 is 44.75, and the angle should be minus 25.5, and is minus 25.5.